What's up, Cam's Club? So today we back with another video, and today, my mom called me while I was on the bus. She called me. She told me that she wanted me to cook today. So I told her, okay, I got something in my head. Know what I'm gonna cook. I told her I was gonna cook. I told my mom I was gonna cook. I was gonna try to make. I told my mom, hold on. I told my mom that I was gonna try to make colorful burgers. Colorful burgers. That's what I told her. Told her I was gonna try to make colorful burgers. But it's just one thing. I don't know how to make them. So, changing plans. My mom came up with this idea. Shout out to Mama Kim. She came out with this idea. She told me we gonna make waffle burgers. So, right now, we picking up the babies from school from aftercare. We waiting on them. Well, my mama out there waiting on them. And y'all go see me. You know, the chef in the house. Don't tell him. But y'all go see me. Y'all go see me cooking. And I'm gonna make some good waffle burgers. Watch. So y'all stay tuned and get ready. Let's go. Right now, what they doing is right here.
Yo! What's doing this? It was almost nighttime. Thank you. It was almost nighttime. It's almost nighttime.
Okay, you need to get in the car.
I gotta cut it and do it over. So what's up, guys? It's Mama Boosie here today, and I'm actually making my rounds to Target because we're gonna be cooking tonight, and we're gonna be making some waffle. How I want to say it? Waffle burgers. So we're gonna be making colorful waffle burgers, and therefore I need to get a new waffle maker because I actually threw the other one in the garbage because they kept leaving it out, leaving food on it. You know what kids do, what they do. But I'm coming to grab a waffle maker really quick, and then we're gonna go get food coloring. Then we're gonna get food coloring and some mix for it. Okay, so these are the waffle makers right here. I'm considering a cheap one. I don't know, I might want this one, but 5-step. Okay, I'm gonna get this one because the kids is the one that's making it. And I'm gonna get a quesadilla maker, and I also wanted to get a George Foreman grill. I'm gonna get a big one. I like the big George Foreman grill, so I'm gonna just get these two so far. Or should I get this one? But these are so big. I don't know. Let me decide and I'll be back with you. Kimmy, can you cut that down, please? I don't know why these kids be having these phones so loud. But so I've been seeing this drink all over TikTok, and I wanted to try it with my crew. So this is a cherry cola. I don't know. It's weird. Who want to go next?
Me.
It's weird.
It's a only top. I gotta lose the bathroom.
Okay. It's weird, but try it. Once we get done, we gonna let y'all know what we rated, okay? When we get home. Everybody gotta try it, and it's really dark in the car. You like it? Okay, Kimmy likes it. Hold up.
Hi, you guys.
So, guys, we done made it home.
So we're gonna be cooking waffle burgers. We have a waffle maker and the quesadilla maker, but we're gonna make our waffle burgers today. So welcome to our kitchen. Mommy, waffle burger?
Waffle burgers. Color. So, what color waffle burger do you want?
Pink.
So, Dre is going to be the chef today. Y'all say what's up to Dre.
What's up, Kim?
Color I want. Could I get purple? Could I get a purple? This 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colorings. We finally got a waffle burger. And green.
Come on, Kim. Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. Y'all. Joel, go sit down. Joel, go sit down. Go sit down.
Go put on your room table right quick, y'all. What's wrong with you, Papa?
He said, Mommy, I'm here.
Okay. Papa is going to help. Plus, we doing the ice cream. Did you see him? Come here, Joel.
Okay. Me too?
Yeah. You and Joel doing the ice cream. Look, ice cream bowl.
This is waffle burger. Mommy,
No, show Joel. Don't drop him.
Mom, can you put me right here? Look.
No.
So, we have
Alright, y'all. So, this is the thing. This is the powder that we use.
Mommy, it's either
As
one.
y'all can see,
Which one they want.
it is the strawberry one. The strawberry. Let me let y'all smell it. Smell good, huh? I know. Yep. I know.
Hey.
What I am going to do is read all the instructions in the back. Then I'm gonna whip it up.
Let's go.
Come on. So first it says in a mixed bowl, combine 3 cups pancake mix.
Okay.
We don't got no measuring cup.
Yes, we do.
I don't know where they at.
Hold this.
Mommy, it's in the other one.
Thank you, Joel.
Mommy.
Oh, it's one right there, Mom.
Mommy.
It's up there.
Go in the
It's up there.
garbage.
Go back. Open the back. Look at the top.
The measuring cup.
Okay, now hold this. Watch out, Papa.
This need to go in the garbage. It has squares in it.
Go sit down.
Squares in it because that's the squares chips of sugar. Okay.
Turn it. Open that thing up. Open the thing up.
When I told you about calling everything the thing,
Can you open the camera?
why? Because you want to see yourself?
Yes.
Oh wow. I need to see what I'm recording.
So what you think? Put it all the way up here?
What does it say?
It says 3 cups.
3 cups. So put it 3 cups. So that means you need a bigger bowl.
Okay. Get one of these bowls. Get one of them.
You get it. I'm holding the camera.
Jenna, I will clean your bowl out. See, we didn't say all of this. Go back over there where you was. Stop. Don't talk to me. Alright, so let's see. So just pour the 2 cups in. So just pour the whole thing.
You don't have to pour the whole thing. You can mix a little at a time. You want to pour everything?
I mean, we might as well.
How many are you trying to make? That's enough for now.
Next thing to say is, so right now in Kim's Club, what I'm finna do is pour the oil into the pot for my burgers so they could get cooked. We gonna let it sit for a little minute. Then we gonna put our burgers in there. Now, what we finna do right now is, hold on. Okay, what we finna do right now is go back to the waffle stuff, waffle mix. So let's go back. Okay, it need 1.5 cup of water. So let's get that.
The water from the refrigerator.
I gotta wash it up now.
I don't know, normally when I'm cooking and I'm using the same stuff, I'll just keep using it over.
So use the same.
The same cup. Normally.
I know that. I gotta
Yeah.
wash the cup now.
There's a whole pack of lettuce. Why is a whole pack of lettuce?
You ain't getting no bacon. Some mayonnaise.
Mom, why is a whole bag of
No,
lettuce?
I got what was on the list.
Why is a whole bag of lettuce?
Because that's for the sandwiches. So did you let them know what we're making?
Yes. That's too much. Right there. See? 1 cup. Now, let's go see. Let's see what's next. Okay, so now you get 2 tablespoons of natural oil. Let's get this is a tablespoon, right? Now let's mix it up.
That's all the ingredients it is for.
Right now. That's what step 1. Drinking me a little bit of water. Think so?
Mix it all in and you'll know when it's gritty. Cause that stuff look thick.
Exactly.
Look like you making
Mom, can you pass me?
clay. But the red is
Back up,
nice.
back up. Alright, Kim's Club. So I'll be back when I get everything in this place set up.
What feeling? Nothing. Everything's Get friend. You stay here.
Alright, so y'all, I'm finna let these simmer, and then I'ma get back at this.
6, 7, 8.
back to the burger. You were supposed to show the Kim's Club.
My bad, Kim. I done ate it. It was too good. I'm finna going to eat it. I'll see y'all later.